point of this is not only the light of the moon, but the sounds of the frogs. I'm in between the dirt pad of a particular LLC, limited liability company, and a stand of pine trees on the east side of a hill of where I customarily sleep. But the other point is the sounds of those frogs. I guess those are primarily bullfrogs, maybe with a few tree frogs. And if it wasn't not only for the recent rains, and more in particular, beaver dams. That's my point about beaver dams. Because when you start having lack of rain, sometimes in shady regions, or trickling regions, or whatever, it'd be a true spring, or what they call a wet weather spring, you still have a miniature pond there that would not otherwise be there.